How to fix a black screen on TikTok Live Studio. So if you're trying to record a game or your computer screen and you're just seeing a black screen, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is just go and open up the Start menu on your computer and then click on Settings. From the left-hand side, select System and click on Display. You can then scroll down to the graphics and select this. And if you scroll down, you'll see a list of applications. Now click on Add a Desktop App, and then you need to locate the TikTok Live Studio. So this would typically be saved in your C drive. Click on Program Files, and then you can scroll down to the TikTok Live Studio and click on this. Now select the TikTok Live Studio launcher and press Add, and then scroll down to the application, click on the drop-down arrow, click on GPU Preference, and make sure High Performance is selected. You can then close out of this window and you can try relaunching the TikTok Studio app. Now click on the plus icon next to Sources and you can start by selecting Game Capture. Now go and press Add, and there's a couple of different settings we can choose from. So you can start by selecting any full screen game and then press Add Source. Now if it doesn't work with this method, you can also try turning on the compatible mode and try adding the source instead. If it's still not working, then go and add the source again and click on Game Capture. You can press Select Game, and then you can try selecting your game from the list. Now if you can't find it, just make sure the game is actually running in the background. And once you have your game open, you should be able to go and select it from here. Now just bear in mind that some games aren't supported with the game capture, and what you'll need to do is go and add a window capture instead, and you can then start recording your game using the window capture. So that's how to fix the black screen issue in the TikTok Live Studio. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.